Hey team. So something new popped up in Google Calendar that Google has switched the URLs and a little bit of the formatting of Hangouts. They're now calling it meet.google.com instead of hangouts.google.com. Hopefully this should fix a couple of the issues. I won't go into those now, but so you notice that link is a little bit different. And so I'm going to show you some of the differences so you guys aren't confused next time you have to jump on. So I'm going to follow this link here on this meeting that Dee and me have tomorrow. And so it's going to load up. Now, one of the things it did to me today was it asked me to go ahead and allow my microphone and my camera to utilize or be used by the browser. So a lot of times, anytime there's a new link that requests to use your camera and your microphone, the browser should ask you. So if you're using Chrome, it should ask you to do those. I don't really have experience with Safari, but I'm assuming it'll do the same thing. So you'll notice right here, you've got this intro page. So it tells me there's nobody else here, which is expected right now. I can mute myself. I can turn my camera on or off. And I can also go into settings, and if I want to choose a different camera or whatever, and then I can join the meeting. So when I join the meeting here, you guys will notice this is a little bit different setup than what is currently Hangouts. So notice our title for the meeting is over here. If you need to invite somebody by a link, you can do it here by copy the joining info. Your mute, your end call, and your turn off video are down here at the bottom. And then if you move over to the bottom right, we have present. So if you're sharing your screen, it's going to be under present. You can share your entire screen, or if you share a window. So if I click on window, I have a bunch of windows open. So it's going to ask me, which window do you want to share? And then the three dots on the far right are your settings. So I can go full screen, I can switch camera, I can choose a different microphone, report a problem, things like that. And then our guests are going to show up in the top right, and then array themselves down in a kind of on top of each other on the right-hand side. So if I click on guests right here, so I'm the only person in here right now. And so if there's other people, they would show up down here. And even when this is collapsed, the boxes will show up moving down the right-hand side. This is also where chat is located. And so you can message pretty much the same as we've been using chat in the past. But it's a slightly different look, and some things are in different places. So if you guys have questions or get stuck on anything, let me know. I know some people are having some trouble with getting their cameras or their microphones to interact with meet.google.com. So let me know if you have any questions.